How to create a Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking to send money internationally and manage multiple currencies, well, in today's video I'll show you how to create your Wise account in just a few minutes. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone, and now here once inside the app just tap on get started, and after that just tap on register. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply enter your email address. And once you're done entering the email address, just tap on the next. And now there on the next page, you just have to create a secure password. So just create a password, and once you're done with that, you have to select your country of residence. So simply select it, and after that, Wise will send a verification code to your phone. So just enter the code to confirm your number, and next, simply add your full name, date of birth, and address as required, and that's it. After that, your Wise account will be created and will be ready to send, receive, and hold money across the currencies. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.